Hi scholars, today we're going to look at TEK 4.7d. It says I can draw an angle with a given measure. So for this you will need to have a protractor and white paper and follow along with me so I can show you how to draw an angle. So let's get started. So let's look at an example. Suppose they want me to draw a 48-degree angle. According to my chart, it would be an acute angle because the acute angle range is 1 degree to 89 degrees and 48 falls in that. So it's going to be small. It's going to be less than a 90-degree angle. So a 90-degree angle would be from here up to here. So if I want to draw a 48-degree angle and this is my starting point, I need to stay over here. Now if I start over here, then this would be my 90-degree angle. Then I would stay over here. So since I'm drawing it over here, I would come here, put 1 at the 0, and then I would find 48. So 10, 20, 30, 40, here's 50. 48 would be 2 less than 50, so I would draw a dot right there. You can even go inside the little mark over there. So then you also need to put a dot here, here, and here. And that's going to be your 48-degree angle. So then you just connect the dots. And that's your 48-degree angle. And if you can notice, that's an acute angle, which that's what it is. So, you know, this is originally the 90-degree angle that was made with the protractor. And so I'm telling myself, well, if it's going to be acute, it's going to stay on this side of the protractor because it's an acute angle. Now, if I were to draw it the other way, suppose this is my starting point, then this would be my 90-degree angle right here. But since I'm drawing an acute angle, I need to stay over here. And then the 10, 20, 30, 40, 48 is right over there. So then you connect it. And so then that's 48 that way. So it just depends which side you're starting on. Okay, so let's look at another example, 65 degrees. So according to the chart, 65 degrees is an acute angle. So if I were to start right here, and this is my midpoint of the angle. So if I'm starting over here, then this is a 90-degree angle, and 65 is going to be less than that. So it would be over here, because it's an acute angle. I have to stay below the right angle, or less than the right angle. And so there's your 65 degrees. Suppose I started the other way. So if I start over here, then this is my 90-degree angle. Well, I need to be over here. So if I have to start at 0. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. Like that. Let's look at another example. Let's say they want me to draw a 102-degree angle. So 102 would be an obtuse angle because it's between 91 and 179. So I would put it here, pick a side to start on. Let's say I want to start over here. So if I start over here, then this is my 90-degree angle, which means I'm drawing obtuse, so I actually need to come all on this side now. So 102 is right here. You need to connect the dots. Whoa, almost messed up. Connect the dots, just like that. And notice that's obtuse. A right angle would be like this. And so because we're drawing obtuse, I have to be on that side of the protractor. So let's say I had to draw it the other way. Start over here, here. Here's my 90-degree angle. I have to be on this side now. 102, connect. It's really easy actually. So there's a 102-degree angle. Let's look at a 175-degree angle. So 175 is an obtuse angle. Let's say I want to start on this side. Here's where my first dot will be. Here's my second dot. Here is the right angle, and because it's obtuse, I'm going to go more on this side. Notice I'm way over here. I'm going to connect my dots. As crazy as this looks, it looks like a straight line, but it is a little high. So a straight angle is 180 degrees. And so because I have 175, that's only 5 degrees away from 180 degrees. So that's why it practically looks like a straight angle. So let's say I were to draw it the other way. So if I start here, this is my 90-degree angle. 175 is way over here. So then I have to connect the dots. Like that. So there's your 175-degree angle. And usually what people do is they draw like this and then write that or something to show that there's an angle there. Let's look at another example, 94 degrees. So 94 is an obtuse angle. It's a little bit past a right angle. So when I draw this, so step one is to recognize, is it acute, right, or obtuse? So I know it's obtuse. Step two is pick a side to start. So if I start on this side, and this is my 0 degrees, this is my 90-degree angle. If I'm drawing obtuse, I need to be over here now. So 91, 92, 93, 94. And then step 3 is to connect. Draw a dot above it and then connect. Step 4 is connect. Whoops, that's a little off. So see, this would be my 90-degree angle. And so because it's obtuse, I'm going past it. So then there's my 94 degrees. So let's draw it the other way. So if I'm starting over here, this is the mid part. Here's my 90-degree angle. I'm obtuse, so I have to go past that. So I drew my dot, and I'm going to connect. Whoops. So there's like a 90-degree, there's an idea for you to see the 90-degree angle. So 94 is going to go past that.